Welcome to this training module looking at the Smart Notebook software. In this module, we will look at lines and how they allow us to create interactive activities when linked with our previous knowledge of notebook software. Using the label of a previous module, we can extend the activity using lines. Clicking on the line icon displays the secondary menu from which we will use the black straight line. Drawing the line on screen is a simple click and drag on the notebook page. From that line, we can clone the next one. By clicking on the select icon and then the line allows the line to be edited. Clicking and dragging on one end of the line allows the line to be stretched whilst the opposite end stays anchored. Works great for matching exercises. Access to the straight line tool also allows tables or axes for graphs to be drawn up quickly. You can now create a matching exercise and draw straight lines for tables and graphs.